Hey, bud. Hey. Hey.
You.
Bud, hey. Sir. Hey. Hold on. Hey. Bud. Buddy.
You.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey.
You.
Hey.
Yo,
Do me a
pull your
favor.
pants up.
You just put your pants up for me?
Apparently rescue's on verifying now. And you just did something at the door. They said.
You. Pull your pants up.
3, 6. 1 minute. You want to grab your cuffs? I'll hold them. Roll over. We'll just wait till here. Take your arm out. I think when you get back,
Yeah, that's mine.
2, you can slow him down.
Okay, we're at 3-6 with 2. Continue, but slow it down. The example rescue is on.
Yeah.
All you need is this.
Well, this shirt's no good.
Alright, cheers.
You guys alright?
Fine.
Yeah.
402. Industry hug.
I called the ambulance maybe about 20 minutes ago. It was the second call again. No, this guy's tweak it out. Yeah, hold on, let's Yo, Henry.
Henry. Yo, Henry. He's breathing. Like durable, like snoring. Like snoring. I want this.
Sorry.
Henry. Henry. No. Henry.
No, he's not.
Henry. Henry.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
Very.
Yep. Yeah. He was completely bang. He was naked, banging his hands on the wall, and then he started fighting us.
Yeah, right.
No.
Go ahead and go. Start a supervisor.
Pants were down.
Hey, was an available supervisor for 102?
And then every time we tried to talk to him, he just kept pulling away. And when he starts CPR.
35 Temple 102 requesting. It's going to be American and North 15th Street. Who's got CPR progress?
Permanent 102. CPR line.
Yeah, 35 copy.
That shit is crazy. That shit crazy right there. Now y'all trying to fuck guys back.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna put that shirt.
Take it out of my pocket, you heard?
Start cutting his shirt.
And then we went to grab.
He was like, we were trying to talk to him, and he just kept like.
Was he saying anything?
No. He wasn't making any sense.
Did you guys know him at all?
No, I've never dealt with him before.
You can start cutting the shirt.
This side's fine.
Yeah.
He was fighting it, yeah. Okay.
You got one?
He's gonna finish right here. Let's swap and drop onto the stretcher.
Yep.
Let's get him inside. Yeah.
Keep on. You got it. Slow. Just go slow. You cutting. You good. You good. All over here.
No, you're
There you go. It's there. There it is. You good.
Alright, guys.
Alright, guys, we're gonna
One of you hold that stretcher up here. We're gonna lift over. Can one of you pick that monitor up? It's gonna go on the opposite side of the feet, so when we lift it, you can just pop right down. Alright. I'm gonna need somebody to grab around his waist. I'm gonna grab up on his arms. If one of you can also grab around his arms. Whenever you're ready.
We grab one waist.
Ready? 1, 2.
Yeah, that's fine. Bring it down.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Watch this up.
You want to get through that, right?
Bring it up, guys.
Yeah.
Go ahead a bit.
Ronald's coming out?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Under the manager, doesn't fly an idea.
Sweatshirt. His sweatshirt. Okay. Yeah.
Let's come off.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not. The sweatshirt. It's here.
No, also the left shoulder. Where is it?
It's all under him. Hand should be breaking more. You want it up one? Sir, can you just hold this one? Is that better? Yep. Okay.
I don't know if he was on, like, his eyes.
He's definitely on.
Yeah, it's definitely on.
Take a deep breath. I know what you're thinking. Take a deep breath. That's how you get into it.
We got any keys? We're gonna have to change up the bits. I think it's cut underneath, that's why. You got all the
Melissa just grab whatever hands and stop the breath.
swap them out.
What do you like, Macri? Yes?
What?
You're a Macri guy?
Yeah.
Take this one off. Seven and a half, 8.
You got Steffi at all?
Right next to you. Yep. Everything is right next to you.
No, I don't know where you put the kid.
You don't want to see it this time? No worries. No worries. Was he there a while, they said, or?
The guy came out and said, I called 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm gonna
But as soon as we got here, so he came over Merritt and 15th. We looked at the corner, didn't see anyone laying down. That's when he came over, male laying down. Drove up north to Washington. So we swang back around, and then when we swam back around on Merritt, then we saw him banging on the walls and the window, the door. So then we were trying to talk to him. Wasn't listening. Not at all.
Not coherent in
And
any
then,
ways.
and then, so we tried to turn him around just to get him his hands behind his back. Then he started pulling, fighting us, and everything like that.
And then what happened?
And then we took him to the ground, and then he's on his back, and then we rolled him over, and then we put him in cuffs. And then when the other units came over, then we brought him we sat him up against the wall, and then that's when we noticed, all right, maybe he might not be breathing, because now he looked like he was
Out of it?
yeah. So then
Yeah, we got it as an unconscious.
Yeah, throw that up on your head. And then
Infectious, yeah.
Mark in,
Yeah,